What's going on, guys? So we are heading out on a little road trip. As you can see from the title of the video, we're going to pick up the engine and transmission. So we, like I said, have a little bit of a road trip. We're heading from Grand Rapids to just outside of Flint. So we're looking at about an hour and a half. So let's get that part of it done and I'll show you what we got. People like the Midwest because you get the expression of all four seasons. Winter, not everyone loves winter, but winter, spring, summer, and fall. But people who have lived their entire lives in the Midwest know that there's only actually two seasons. There's winter and there's road construction. We are out of there. We are on our way home. I've got shit all over. See it back there? I got shit all over this truck. It is an absolute disaster. So let's get this home. We'll get it unloaded and kind of go through everything that I picked up today. Alright, after a long day, working all day, running to get that, happy to have this unloaded and home. So let's go through everything that I picked up today. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was actually in the Michigan C10 Facebook group. So kind of Marketplace, kind of not. So if you're building one of these trucks, find one of those Facebook groups specific to where you live. There's the nationwide ones, but that's bullshit because you're not going to pay to ship something that you can find for $40, $50 bucks. Not that I got this for 50 bucks, but you get the idea. So let's go through this piece by piece. All right, so first things first, we have a 5.3 liter. This has the Chevy Performance Hot Cam in it. That fucking cricket, I swear to God. So we have this, like I said, Chevy Performance Hot Cam in it. Rebuilt and upgraded 4L60E, so it's much more stout than a standard, typical 4L60. So that will be nice. Stainless steel long tube headers were included in the deal. A couple of fun little goodies as well, just MSD plug wires, little things like that to clear the headers, which will be great. Gaskets, Trailblazer SS. Intake manifold, from what I understand, at least from what I was told. These are one of the better stock manifolds, so I'm happy to have that. A completely rewired wiring harness. PSIconversions.com does all of this. They make it super easy. It just eliminates everything we don't need, utilizes everything that we do. And just makes it all very neat and tidy. The PCM is also tuned by MJD Performance in Novi, Michigan. So that's done. We have a 92mm throttle body, drive-by cable. So that's nice, have that. And then I have my transmission crossmember. I did not get that in the deal, but that's something that I will be adding as well. Alright, well, not a super long video today, but definitely wanted to get you guys updated on what's happening here. As you saw earlier in the video, my wife, she's getting super pregnant. She's due first week of December. So my goal is to have everything except the cab done by then. So rear brakes, new gas tank came in that I haven't shown you, but that has come in. Brake lines we got to get in. And I want to get this all mounted up in the frame. And that way this winter, when baby's here, I don't have to be fiddling so much with the truck, and we can just work on the cab So still plenty of work to do. And then once the cab goes on, obviously all the wiring, configuring, and putting it all back together. But piece by piece, we're getting closer and closer. So stay tuned, and we'll get rocking on the rest of that. See ya.